Every time you scroll through a newsfeed, you're not just looking at the world, you're looking at a version of it, carefully constructed. Every piece of media has an invisible blueprint, an ideology, a set of beliefs presented as simple common sense. But media is never neutral. Think about it. A news report on a protest isn't a mirror of reality, it's a series of choices. The camera can show a broken window or a peaceful speaker. The reporter can call people activists or rioters. These choices build a specific reality for you. The golden rule of media analysis is to find out why those choices were made. Bias is often smuggled in through loaded language. A tax change isn't just a change, it's either a bold new plan or a controversial scheme. Editors act as gatekeepers, deciding which stories are important enough to see the light of day. And images do the heavy lifting. A low-angle shot makes a subject look powerful. A high-angle shot makes them look weak. Now add social media to the mix. Algorithms don't show you the news, they show you your news. They learn what you like and feed you more of the same, creating an echo chamber where your own beliefs are reflected back at you, constantly reinforced. Opposing views get filtered out, and soon people on different sides can't even agree on basic facts. So what's the defense? Developing a critical eye. This is a survival tool. Before you accept any story, ask yourself one question. Who benefits from me believing this? And who is being silenced in this narrative? By deconstructing what you see, you protect yourself from manipulation and move from being a passive consumer to a thoughtful, engaged citizen.